And breaking news, the NIA has seized another car that was abandoned in Navi Mumbai. These are the first images already up on your screens of that car that has been seized by the agency. This car allegedly belongs to Sachin Vaze is what we do know. We are standing by to get you Alicia with more details on that big story. And before Alicia joins us, Priyanka also with us. Priyanka, what more do we know about this particular car? Not sure if Priyanka can hear us, but as I said, one more important recovery in the entire case. Viewers, one more car. One after the other. You've seen the agency being able to locate so many cars that all possibly had a Sachin Vaze connection. Now, we are given to understand that this car was parked since the last 15 days in a building in Navi Mumbai. And when the locals started to complain that this is a car there being parked for so long and unattended, this is where the agencies got into action. The NI then launched an entire search and they realized that this is another car, Priyanka, that did belong to Sachin Vaze.
Well, absolutely. What we've been given to understand is that this car had been kept in Navi Mumbai for at least 15 days. And like you said, when the locals had actually raised a complaint about this car being there is when the agencies had really gone down there and then have taken the car, seized the car, and they're claiming that this is another piece of evidence of great importance that is going to help in solving this entire murder mystery as well, and all of it, of course, related to Sachin Vaze. This car is another car that has been registered in the name of Sachin Vaze as well. So all of that, those details are being taken into consideration by the NIA. More and more puzzles coming out in this entire conspiracy, which is revolving around Sachin Vaze. Now, this is a car that has been seized from Navi Mumbai, and we're being told that at least for 15 days that car had been stashed there in that particular premises, and we're being told that the NIA will be investigating as to what evidence this car will actually add to this entire conspiracy, and also what relations with this, with the entire conspiracy or the murder mystery of Mansukh Hiren as well. All of those things are being taken into consideration by NIA, and the investigation will go on further.
Now, Priyanka, tell me something. This is, I think, if I'm not wrong, car number 7. Car number 7 that again possibly could have a connection to Sachin Vaze. What we'll also do is that I'll request my producer to put out images of the earlier cars that have been seized, Priyanka, right from the Scorpio to this Outlander today. But somewhere, Priyanka, the story is just getting murkier. And again, you know, that one question that Republic has been asking, all this, was this the handiwork of just this one man called Sachin Vaze? Doesn't this warrant a bigger investigation now and more people now in the net?
Well, absolutely. Like I said, the puzzle keeps getting bigger and bigger as well as more and more evidences come into play, because we had last week also seen another car that had been seized from Daman area of Gujarat as well, that had been brought back to Mumbai for further investigation. And now this Mitsubishi car that has now been seized by the NIA, really looking into this entire conspiracy, because like you very rightly said, this does accord a better investigation, a deeper investigation, because this is all revolving around a man called Sachin Vaze, and all of these things about the fake number plates as well, which has come to the forefront, is something that the NIA is already investigating. They're looking into this entire angle of what we had also put out, where Riaz Qazi had actually gone to the shop to make sure that the number plates that had been put on these cars, which are being seized, were fake. And the car was reported missing by somebody in Aurangabad. So all of those parts are being looked into and investigated into by the NIA as we speak. But of course, this particular car that has now been seized from Navi Mumbai is also something that the NIA is going to be investigating in reference to the rest of the pieces of evidence that has now been collected by NIA, because the mystery keeps getting deeper and deeper, and which is why a thorough investigation is being looked over by the NIA as we speak, Deepthi.
Okay. All right, Priyanka, for the moment, thank you.